How's it going, YouTube? Today I got the Kizer Sparrow or the V3628C2. You've seen the packaging before. It comes with a microfiber cloth and extra hardware, which is always nice. Here we got the knife. Beautiful. It says green micarta, but this looks brown to me. Very nice. Kizer does some of the best micarta. It doesn't come with this pocket clip. It comes with a steel pocket clip, and I switched it for titanium because it was a little uncomfortable. You got a flipper tab. Been nice if it had another jump. You got a nice 2.99 inch 154 cm blade. The saber grind. It's a sheep's foot. It's got a black wash finish on it. It's a Blackbird design, which is Vincent Rizzo. If you've heard of him. This is $79 retail. You got a decent sharpening tool. It could be a little better, but you do have some sharpenings on it. Got liner lock. It's nice access. No backspacer. You can see the liners. They're about flush with the scales, maybe a little proud. Knife measures in at 6.97 inches, so it's on the small to medium size. Let's compare it to a few other knives. Spyderco Native 5. The Civivi Mini Praxis. It's about the same size as the Native 5, a little bit bigger than the Praxis. The Vosteed Corgi and the Bridgeport 395. Bridgeport might be a hair smaller and the Corgi might be a hair longer, but they're pretty even. So I really like this design. You got good action on ball bearings. You can reverse flick it or use your thumb. Decent detent, nothing to complain about. You got contoured scales. It is non-reversible. You got T6 body screws that are stick up a little bit above the scales. I should probably show the original pocket clip. Here we go. It came black washed too. I just thought it was a little uncomfortable for a smaller knife. You can get these titanium clips off of Kizer's website for $15 plus shipping. Alright, for the handle, 0.54 inches across. It's 3.97 inches from top to bottom. And your pocket closed, got about 1.23 inches. Came out of the box centered. And unlike their super steels, I trust their 154 cm. I've gotten great results out of it. It's really the best steel they do, for sure. Two deployment options, as you see. You got the flipper tab, which you can fail if you really try. Yep, but it'll snap out every time if you're trying. Reverse flick is really good on this. Let's go over my few dislikes of this knife. It's about the same as most other Kizers except for a few. Wish it had a backspacer. I wish it was inset liners, but that's just nitpicking. Really don't like T6s. I don't like their billboarding. And the pocket clip. Everybody likes having deep carry clips, but on a smaller knife like this, it seems a little bit uncomfortable. That's just my opinion. So yeah, that's about all I got for this knife. Subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a comment if you'd like. And see you in the next one.